First Minister, the Deputy First Minister's decision to not align with England from the 1st of July in regards to Bluetongue policy is a disastrous one, and one that will cost the Mid Wales economy significantly, and is also an impractical policy as well. This isn't just my view, this is the view of auctioneers and farmers who I met with at Welshpool Livestock Market yesterday. And you will know, First Minister, this is one of the biggest markets in Wales and England, smack on the border. In fact, you can see the English border from the market itself. This policy announced last Thursday will have huge implications for cross-border trade. It will not only impact on farmers, but the whole supply chain, including the auctioneers that sell their stock. Farmers not spending money locally will have repercussions, and the policy position will cost the Mid Wales economy millions of pounds. When I spoke to farmers yesterday, they are anxious and they are worried about their livelihoods, and they're concerned not being able to source stock, including stock for breeding. So I would suggest the Welsh Government urgently needs to review its policy before the 1st of July. The Deputy First Minister spoke about his decision last week, making it based on the available evidence. So can I ask the First Minister to confirm if the Welsh Government has carried out an economic impact assessment on the controls that they plan to introduce from the July the 1st?
I know there's a considerable concern in rural communities in relation to Bluetongue, and I know the Deputy First Minister is doing everything in his power to try and keep it out of this country. Discussions have taken place with all our key stakeholders, including farmers' unions, including Royal Welsh Society and Livestock Auctioneers Association. So those discussions have taken place. There'll be a statement by the Deputy First Minister later, who I'm sure will want to go into a lot more of those details, but I want to assure you that this policy will be kept under review and will respond to the ongoing situation.